The African savanna, a vast and untamed wilderness, a realm of golden sunlight and endless skies stretching as far as the eye can see. Here, the lion reigns supreme, the undisputed king of this expansive territory, a majestic creature radiating power with every stride, its presence commanding respect. Its roar, a symphony of strength, echoes across the plains, a declaration of dominance. Deep within the jungle, a different kind of predator lurks. The python, a silent and stealthy hunter. A master of camouflage, it moves silently through the undergrowth, almost invisible to the untrained eye. Its cold, calculating gaze fixed on unsuspecting prey, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The lion, an apex predator at the top of the food chain, relies on its strength and speed to hunt. Its size, strength and ferocity unmatched, making it a formidable force in the wild. The python, a silent assassin, waits patiently for its moment, coiled and ready to unleash its power. Two predators, both masters of their domains, their paths rarely cross, each ruling their own kingdom. Yet nature is full of surprises. And sometimes the unexpected happens in the heart of Africa, where the savanna meets the jungle. An epic encounter is about to unfold, a clash of titans in the wild. The python tightens its grip, each breath squeezed from the lioness's lungs. She thrashes wildly, claws raking at the python's scales. The alpha male charges. He slams into the python with incredible force. The impact reverberates through the air. The python, momentarily stunned, loosens its grip. The lioness seizes the opportunity. She breaks free, gasping for air. The python, enraged, turns its attention towards the alpha male. Its cold eyes gleam with ancient hunger. The fight is far from over. Section 4, a dance of muscle and constriction. The lion circles the python, its massive paws kicking up dust, creating a cloud that hangs in the air. The python coiled tightly, its head held high, ready to strike, its eyes locked onto the lion, unblinking and fierce. The lion lunges, jaws snapping shut with a force that could crush bone, but the python is too quick, its body moving with a fluid grace that belies its size. It dodges the attack, its scales shimmering in the sunlight, reflecting a spectrum of colors. The python strikes back, its fangs sinking into the lion's shoulder, injecting venom with precision. The lion roars in pain but doesn't relent, its eyes burning with determination. It bites down on the python's body, its powerful jaws crushing bone. The struggle rages on, each moment more intense than the last. A blur of teeth, claws and scales, a chaotic dance of survival. Each creature fighting for its life, driven by instinct and the will to survive in the harsh wilderness. Section 5, a battle of titans. The air fills with the sounds of battle. The lion's roars and the python's hisses echo across the savanna. The python continues to constrict, its powerful muscles slowly suffocating the lion. The lion, weakened but not broken, fights back with every ounce of strength. The python's grip tightens, the lion's movements become sluggish. The other lions watch, helpless to intervene. The outcome hangs in the balance. With a final surge of adrenaline, the lion breaks free from the python's grasp. It stumbles back, gasping for air, its body battered and bruised. Section 6, nature's verdict. The python, exhausted from the fight, slowly retreats into the tall grass. It had underestimated the lion's strength and tenacity. The lion, though victorious, bears the scars of battle, a reminder of the ferocity of nature and the constant struggle for survival. The savanna falls silent, the encounter a testament to the raw power of both creatures. Neither truly victorious, both forever changed by their encounter. In the wild there are no winners or losers, only survivors. The balance of power, a delicate dance between predator and prey, constantly shifting.